Imagine, if you will, a world where the sun never sets, where one side is forever plunged into darkness while the other side basks in perpetual daylight. A world where the oceans surge and cities crumble. What would cause such a cataclysm? The answer is simple yet terrifying: the sudden cessation of Earth's rotation. To comprehend this, we must first understand why our planet spins. The Earth, like all celestial bodies, spins due to the conservation of angular momentum, a fundamental principle of physics. This principle states that the total amount of angular momentum in a system remains constant unless acted on by an external torque. Our planet started spinning over 4.5 billion years ago during its formation. As matter coalesced to form the Earth, it began to spin, and due to the conservation of angular momentum, it has continued spinning ever since. The Earth's rotation is responsible for the cycle of day and night. As the Earth spins on its axis, different parts of the planet are exposed to the sun's light, creating the familiar pattern of sunrise and sunset. But what would happen if this rotation were to abruptly stop? The immediate effects would be catastrophic. The Earth's rotation causes a centrifugal force which slightly flattens the Earth and causes it to bulge at the equator. If the Earth were to stop spinning, this force would no longer be present. The Earth would become a perfect sphere, causing the oceans to redistribute with massive flooding at the equator and the poles becoming barren land. Moreover, the Earth's rotation influences its magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. A non-rotating Earth would have a weak or non-existent magnetic field, leaving us vulnerable to these deadly rays. But perhaps the most devastating effect would be on the climate. The rotation of the Earth drives the circulation of the atmosphere and oceans, which in turn affects the climate. A non-rotating Earth would have a vastly different climate, with one side perpetually hot and the other side forever cold, making life as we know it impossible. Now, before you start panicking, rest assured that the chances of the Earth suddenly stopping its rotation are virtually zero. It would take an external force of astronomical proportions to overcome the conservation of angular momentum and bring our spinning planet to a halt. In summary, the Earth's rotation is a fundamental aspect of our planet that affects everything from the cycle of day and night to the climate. If the Earth were to suddenly stop spinning, the consequences would be catastrophic, ranging from massive flooding to drastic changes in climate. However, the likelihood of this happening is extremely small, so there's no need to lose sleep over it. So next time you watch the sun rise or set, spare a thought for the incredible forces at work that make these everyday phenomena possible. And remember, the Earth's rotation is more than just a spin. It's what makes our world the way it is.